Hey there, guys. So today I got something pretty cool for you. I got this in the mail today. This is the Amazon Halo Band. And we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing and initial impressions. Open her up here, see what's in the box. Here's the packaging. And it looks like I'm going to need a knife, so we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We got a knife here, so we can cut this open, see what's inside. So this, guys, is Amazon's new version of a fitness tracker. It's kind of like the Fitbit. And I believe when this retails, it's going to retail for $99. And this is a little bit different than your typical fitness tracker because this is going to be a subscription-based service from Amazon. So not like a Fitbit or Apple Watch. This thing actually does not have a display on it. Everything is going to go directly to your smartphone, and for the app, Amazon is going to charge you, I think it's like $1.99 or $2.99 a month for your subscription service to use the product. And here it is. Pretty decent packaging. Let's take it out, see what's in here. Obviously, we have the fitness tracker. Got a little booklet here. It's sealed pretty well. Halo. And these look like, yeah, it's just kind of like an advertisement. So we got that. And we've got what I'm guessing is the charger here. So it looks like you got a USB port, and I'm guessing you clip the watch into that. So that's kind of neat. Yep, so there's the charging port. So it's not going to fall off the charger once it's clipped in. It's kind of cool. And let's see. I think that's it. Yep. So that's everything that comes in the box, guys. I would say, without having gone through this book, not even really proper instructions. It looks more like just an advertisement for the product. Charger and the actual device. So this is what the device looks like, guys. I believe they had 3 colors. Maybe it was 2. I know they had a gray and they had a black and possibly one more. You do have to kind of know your wrist size for what you're ordering. I got the large, and I'm hoping that it's large enough for me because the size was kind of a little sketchy when I measured my wrist. But yeah, it looks like it's going to fit. It's kind of hard to do with one hand here. Yeah, it fits. Okay, so it's made out of this cloth-like material. So it's not metal, it's just regular old cloth band here. And this is what the underside looks like. So that's where the charger port clips in. And these are where all your sensors are going to be. And that's it. It's very minimalist, it's very small. It's just the size of a wristwatch band. And so here's my initial unboxing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to charge this guy up a little bit, and I'm going to wear it for a little while today. I might do a small workout with it on. I'm going to check out the app, and I'll get back to you guys, and we'll go over a little bit of the app features, and I'll give you my thoughts. It's going to be interesting to see. I don't know if they have anything tied into it right now with Amazon Alexa, but it'll be interesting to see if we get any Alexa skills that work with this in the future. And I'm just excited to see what all I can track and what I can do with this. So we'll see if this is worth the $1.99 or $2.99 monthly subscription that Amazon's going to charge. So on the main screen here, we have a few different things. We have activity, sleep, tone, body, and then if you scroll down, you get into stuff like more of what they call labs, which are just kind of like classes. I guess if you're a beginner and you're starting out, maybe that's a good thing. I think personally, that's not something that impresses me too much. To me, I hate to say it, but it's almost like that tonal system or the mirror, like I guess that's where the subscription kicks in, is that you're paying for all these classes that you could potentially take from professionals that are already designed. For somebody like me, I kind of do my own workout. I do my own thing. I stick to my own diet. I don't need an app to tell me how to work out or what workouts work best for me or how to breathe. I can figure that out on myself. So unfortunately, I think that might be one of their major things with the Halo brand, is that they're going to push more towards these classes or what they call labs. And I'll bet you down the road they're going to have paid labs where you're going to have to pay for these classes individually on top of your subscription. But that's neither here nor there, because that's not what we're doing today. Today I just wanted to do a brief intro and give you my initial impressions. So if we click on activity, this is what I've done so far today. Weekly goal, you get 150 points. I'm sure you can probably change that. Remaining 126 points. So today I've accomplished 24 points, which wasn't very hard because all I did today was work out for a little bit and go for a walk around the block. But it's going to give you all kinds of statistics. So far today I have 3 activities. As you can see, once I got everything set up, I actually jump roped for about 20 minutes, and it registered 19 minutes, and it gave me 9 points of interval training. So it shows my peak heart rate and all that sort of thing. Gives me a chart if I want it. I don't necessarily need a chart of my heart rate, but if you do, that's great. Then I went for a walk around the block, and that gave me about 16 minutes, 13 points. Then I got another 15 minutes and 12 points for, I don't know, because I didn't really specifically do anything. I guess that was just my normal walking. But each one of these, like little subcategories gives you a lot of information, maybe way more information than you actually need to know. And then you can get into intervals of, so this is this week, this is this day, this is this month. So if you want to keep a really good tally of all that sort of thing, this app will do that for you. Obviously, we have sleep. It tracks your sleep. I have not had this long enough to sleep or track my sleep, so unfortunately, I cannot show you that at this point because the app hasn't done it, because I haven't done it. Tone. Now, this is going to, I guess if you record yourself, it's going to tell you what your tone of voice is. I know what my tone of voice is, and everybody seems to agree that I have a shitty tone of voice. So, yeah, I'm disappointed, apparently, all the time, as far as what the app has recorded. Um, but that's supposed to help you with your personal relationships and that sort of thing. I think it's just a gimmick, but it's kind of fun to play with. And last but not least, this is actually the reason why I decided to get the Halo, is because I thought this tool would be the most useful in my workout endeavors. So this is Body. And so basically what this does, yeah, that's my fat ass right there, is this takes a picture of you, and with your inputted height and weight, it tells you your body fat percentage. So apparently I am 28% fat. It gives you your total weight. And then it gives you the scale down here. So for your weight, your height, your age, where are you at on the scale? So for a healthy male, I should be in the green. Apparently I'm unhealthy and I'm extremely fat. So I am here, which means I need work, which I already knew, which is why I'm working out. So it breaks it down a little bit further. It shows that my weight is 217 pounds. My fat mass is 60.8 pounds. My lean mass is 156.2 pounds. All right. So, and then it goes on to tell you how the body fat accuracy works and your privacy and all that good stuff, why your body fat is important. Scan reminder. So this is automatically set up if you enable it to remind you to scan your body every 2 weeks, and it's going to reevaluate your body weight fat percentage and your progress. So your progress is here, and it's going to continue to track that, your weight, etc. Now the app, I do got to say, the app is very interactive and it's very good. So now here's an interesting idea. So it shows you your body at the fat percentage that you're at right now, and then you're allowed to adjust it. So like, okay, say I get down to my goal, 8% body fat, this is what I might look like. Consequently, 50%, I'm going to be a lard ass. Okay, so it lets you kind of get an idea of where you want to be versus where you don't want to be. And that was why I was interested in this. I thought that was kind of a cool idea. But, this is just a basic introduction. I'm sure there's a lot more stuff that you can do on this. I haven't had a chance to figure it all out and play with absolutely everything yet. These are just the basics here. So once again, that's your main screen. You got activity, sleep, tone, and body. Your next screen, you got your heart rate and your tone of voice. And then you got all these labs. So that's all these classes designed to teach you how to live healthier, eat healthier, breathe healthier, and work out healthier, and your settings. And I'm guessing the main point of your subscription isn't necessarily for the tracking abilities where it tracks these specific things. I'm guessing it's more for those classes. Kind of like if you get that tonal or that mirror gym, your subscription is basically covering the cost of those pre-recorded classes or interactive classes that you're going to keep up with those instructors. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing and my initial impressions. I do want to say, I'm going to try to fit my wrist in here. This band is very comfortable. So I've been wearing it all day. It's definitely more comfortable than a watch. However, I am concerned with the material, that getting sweaty and dirty and that sort of thing. I don't know what to do with it if it gets dirty. So I think that's something that Amazon is going to have to address, because obviously being a workout fitness band, people are going to sweat and people are going to get dirty. So I don't know what their plan is for possibly replacing this band, because it seems to me like it's actually attached to the device. So I don't know if you just have to throw out the device if it gets too dirty and buy a new one, or what the deal is with that. But it is definitely comfortable. It definitely is something I can sleep in, something I can wear all day and not worry about. However, like I said, once that gets too dirty, I don't know how Amazon plans on addressing that. So there you go, guys. That's my initial review, initial impressions and unboxing. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. I don't know if you know this, but YouTube is changing their requirements for being monetized. So they're making them a little bit more strict for people like me who aren't huge, who don't have big YouTube followings. So if you hit that like button and subscribe button, that would really help me out to keep my channel going and keep my channel monetized. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll bring you some more videos later. Thanks for watching. Bye.